Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alexey, and today what we're gonna be doing is taking a look at John Douglas mix room trick. John Douglas is a metal sound engineer who has been working with such great metal bands as Steel Panther, Hollywood Undead, Avatar, Death, and many more. Also, John Douglas has wonderful videos and courses on Nails the Mix, the best online community on recording, mixing and mastering metal music. If you want to learn from John Douglas how to make your metal music sound great, you can always join Nails the Mix. The link will be in the info box of this video. So, in our today's video, we're gonna be taking a look at John Douglas trick, which is how to make room in your mix by using wavesfactory trackspacer. First of all, let's have a listen to our mix. So how can we create a room in our mix by using trackspacer? First of all, let's put our trackspacer on our rhythm guitar's bass. Now, by using sidechaining, we can sidechain our rhythm guitars to our drums. And here we're gonna be using pre-fader mode for our sidechaining. Now let's solo our guitar bass and let's solo our drums bass. In our trackspacer plugin we have a mount knob, and if we're gonna be bringing a mount knob up, so in this case our drums will be ducking our rhythm guitars. Now let's have a listen to our drums and the rhythm guitars with and without trackspacer. Also, we can go to settings and we can adjust our attack and release. And in this case, let's make our attack and release very fast. Then we can duplicate our trackspacer from our rhythm guitar bass to our bass bass. And here again we can sidechain our bass to our drums. And again we're gonna be using pre-fader mode. Now let's solo our bass bass and let's solo our drums bass. Let's open our trackspacer on our bass bass and let's adjust our amount knob. By adjusting our amount knob, our drums will be ducking our bass. Now let's have a listen our drums and bass with and without trackspacer. Also, to create room in our mix, we can sidechain our rhythm guitars to our lead vocals. So in this case we have our trackspacer on our rhythm guitars bass, and by using sidechaining we should sidechain our vocals. So in this case, when we're gonna be adjusting our amount knob, our lead vocal will be ducking our rhythm guitars. Now let's solo our rhythm guitars bass and let's solo our lead vocals. And let's start adjusting our amount knob. Been over for comfort. A light inside was growing dim. She got the syllables backwards. She cried the words that she knew was him. Been over for comfort. A light inside was growing dim. She got the syllables backwards. by using trackspacer and by using sidechaining, you can create room in your mix for any instrument. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.